welcome back to my channel. So this is Sumachtan, and if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment down below. So today we are going to make this beautiful bookmark. So let's start. So the materials need for these are any paper, some acrylic paints. I'm using acrylic paints. If you want, you can use water paint, poster paint, any paint, ribbon, pen and scissors. Now let's start. First fold the paper and cut it into the half. So if the bookmark is at the small size, it will look pretty. If it's too long, it doesn't look that much pretty. Now take a cup of water and pour some acrylic paint inside it and mix it well using a brush. If you want darker shade, you can put more paint. If you want light, you can just leave it. So I need dark, so I am putting more. Now just mix very well. Now take the paper and just dip at slanting in the. Now take out the excess water. And again dip it inside. Now just leave it for 10 minutes to dry. After drying, I am going to dip it again to get more darker shade. So just leave it for 10 minutes dry. So I am taking the next color. Now dip the second half sheet also inside. So now leave it this also for 10 seconds to dry. So 10 minutes. Now after drying, I got a design in the green one, second one. That looks pretty. When I am writing, it gets off. So I have just leaven it. Now let's start writing calligraphy. So this form of writing is called calligraphy. And if you want to learn how to use this calligraphy, please let me know in the comment section down below. So I'll put more videos like this and how to do calligraphy also. Now, after writing, I'm going to color inside. So I have written the calligraphy. Now I'm going to do for the green one. So for this, I'm going to write the word hope. First I'm going to give outline using the pencil. Then I'm going to start writing. If you have brush pen, you can just do it. I have brush pen, but I'm using the pen. I have read for both the dream and hope. Now take a punching machine and put a hole. You can also use compass to put hole in the middle. So I am using this punching machine and take the ribbon and just tie it. So that's all. Our first bookmark is ready now. Let's do the second bookmark. So just tie it and I am going to cut the excess ribbon. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment down below. See you in next video soon. Bye.